Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Doogee S86 Pro smartphone, and let me show how you can turn on the separate number row at the keyboard on this device. If we'll call out for the keyboard now, we'll see that there is no separate number row. So in order to be able to activate it, you gotta go to the keyboard settings either by tapping on this gear icon or opening up the settings. At the settings, look for the system category. At the system category, choose languages and input. Here, go for the virtual keyboard, choose the keyboard that is currently in use. In my case, and by default, it's going to be the Gboard. At the Gboard settings, you gotta go for the preferences, and all that it's left to do is to turn on the switch. And that will ultimately mean that the separate number row has been successfully activated. Alrighty, so that was it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye!